Just a slight bend, not no damn bump, okay? What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Terrika Janice. If you are new here, hey girl, hey, welcome to the channel. If you are not already, hit that subscribe button down below. It's like right there. I make it like nice and easy for y'all. Like hit that subscribe button. But yeah, so in today's video, I'm gonna be showing y'all how I transformed and I came up with this little everyday makeup look. You can wear this out, if you're going out to a little brunch, if you going to work, or if you're going out, like just any, it's everyday makeup look. It's an everyday, all day look, okay? So from morning to night, you can wear this look. If you would like to see how I got this look, just go ahead and continue watching. All right, girls, so we're gonna go in with this Total Control Drop Primer by NYX, and this is just supposed to be mattifying. I have dry skin. I don't know why I'm using it, but it just makes my foundation look so good. So then I'm going to go in with this Pore Filter Primer. This is just going to fill my pores and everything like that. This is by Fenty Beauty. Y'all, I look crazy. I look like I got a mask on, but trust me, trust the process, okay? This is the Fit Me foundation. It's matte as well. If you know me, you know that I like a matte face. So yeah, we're gonna go in with that all over our face. And then I'm gonna go in with this Shape Tape concealer. This is in the shade Tan Sand or Sand Tan. Y'all ain't seen this on my channel in a while. They had to make it a new appearance here on the channel. So I'm gonna go in with my old, trusty Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick. This is in the shade Walnut. I'm gonna use this to contour. And I have just been liking to set my face, in the midst of me doing my makeup. So that's what I'm using. I'm using the Morphe setting spray. And y'all, I have been sleeping on this powder, y'all. This is the Laura Mercier. Everybody and their mama done tried this, and I just got around to actually finally using it. Don't judge me, okay? So now what I'm doing is I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty. This is my contour. I don't know what shade this is. I'll link it below though. So yeah, I'm gonna use that. And then I'm gonna go in with my Sephora Micro Smooth Powder, just to, make sure everything is nice and even, all that. And then I'm just gonna take this Fenty Beauty bronzer. I'm just gonna put it right in my eyelids. I don't have any type of technique. I'm just gonna put it on there, just to give me a little bit more definition. And yeah, we gonna work on these lips now. This is NYX Downtown Beauty, of course, y'all. This is like getting so repetitive at this point, but this is my favorite lip combo. Downtown Beauty, and then I'm gonna go in with Fortune Cookie as well for the butter gloss on top. And then I'm just putting in my little moles, because I don't know, it just add a little bit more character to the look, you know what I'm saying? We want a matte face, but then also give us a little shimmer. So I'm gonna put some highlighter on. I'll go ahead and link that below. It's just a Maybelline one. And then we're gonna top it off with more Morphe setting spray. I just put on a lash. So we basically just gonna do our hair. It's really already done. I mean, I just gotta unwrap it. Girl, I'm looking like somebody auntie. Girl, okay. But we gonna get her together. I just recently got a new flat iron. This is the Nano Titanium by Baby Bliss Pro. It's a Pro. Yes, that shit got hot quick. I literally just turned it on. Okay. But yeah, I just straightened my hair with it. I love it so far. This shit was like $160, like. But I honestly can say it was really worth it. Like the way it straightened my hair, I just loved it. So I'm gonna take this scarf off. Girl. Oof. And our hair is already unwrapped, like what the hell. So I'm just gonna come into the back. Honestly, get this middle part right. Okay, so I'm gonna take some of this Thermal Shield Heat Protectant, the Cantu, and I am just gonna, first and foremost, I'm just gonna split this in two, and I'm really not gonna put too much heat on my hair, but I'm just gonna have this And I wish I had a little, I like to put this on my hand, spray it on my hand, because it just gives me more control and I'll be able to really get it on my hair. So that's what I like to do, and really get it on the ends. And you're just going to section this. Take a section. I'm going to take my brush. Brush it out. Oh my God, really? Really, hair? Really? Really, I really want to focus. I'm gonna give it another little split right here because, oh my God, because that's where it's actually like not straight. And I'm just gonna pass it through one time. That's all you need. That's all you need, girl. And with this flat iron, you gotta be careful. Like, you gotta hold it right here. Don't hold it on them damn plates, girl. You're gonna burn your fucking hand. I like to give it a little bend at the end. Just a slight bend, not no damn bump, okay? Not no bump. We do not like that. All right, so on to the top section. See, girl, this is nice and easy. It's not really nothing. I'm just kind of just zhuzhing up my hair. It's already straight. Girl, you know, I was looking a little crusted and busted, so I did have to, you know, sit down and get myself together on this fine Saturday. Now I got to figure out something to do, you know, and looking real cute.
Oh, like that! I'll run from you right now how good you look. I ain't want to leave you for long.
Y'all, I said this in my last video, but the straight hair is just doing it for me. It is really doing it for me, y'all. So I hope y'all enjoyed the tutorial. I did use a couple of new products, which, oh my gosh, I love. Let me tell you, the Laura Mercier powder, why have I been sleeping on that powder? Y'all didn't tell me. Y'all did not tell me how good that powder was. Like, it is like literally the bomb. Like, this powder is something that's raved about, and like I just never got around to getting it. Never got around to getting it. I finally got it, and girl, I am shook. I am shook. I love this powder so much. Like, it is like so crazy. So yeah, y'all, if you did like today's video, make sure you give it a big old thumbs up. And if you are not already, girl, you better hit that subscribe button. So yes, all right, that's all, y'all. And you already know the drill. I'll see you in my next video. Peace.